T minus 10 seconds. 9, 8, 7. We have engine ignition. 4, 3, 2, 1. Liftoff.
Test after tuning the timing, setting up the carburetor. She's running really nice. The customer is going to be very happy. I'm sure he's going to enjoy driving this beautiful car. 65 Corvette Stingray, 4-speed transmission, everything original. Such a great driver. Such a great build. It was fun to build. I enjoyed myself. Had to make some brackets, some custom brackets. There was some missing pieces that were completely destroyed. So that turned out really nice. Rebuilt the whole dash to original, just like it came from factory. Engine is original also, yeah. Numbers matching. Yeah, numbers matching. Transmission is also the original transmission. So it's build them like this anymore. Those were the days.